Hi there, I'm Dr. Nisha Deshpande, aesthetic and cosmetic dentist practicing at Thane. I am also the country chairperson and the certified member for the European Society of Cosmetic Dentistry. In this series of InstruMentor, I will be sharing a few clinical tips with you which will make your life much easier as far as direct composite restorations are concerned. Today, I am here to help you unlock your full creative potential because guess what? Dentistry is an art and every artist needs their brush. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a simple brush and a drop of modeling liquids to model your composites like a pro. So let's dive right in. How are we going to use the modeling liquid? The modeling liquid is basically an unfilled resin. You're going to always pair it with the brush. You take a small drop, dip the brush till it is saturated well. Take a small piece of tissue on the side and drag the brush on it till it leaves a faint line. Do you see the line becoming fainter? Do the same for the other side. And this is precisely the amount that you need. Nothing more and nothing less. So once you've got just the right amount of liquid in your brush, imagine this to be your final layer of composite that you have applied. Just take the brush and start moving it and smoothing out all those undulations and all of that roughness till you get a lovely smooth surface. Remember, the more you spend time doing this, the lesser time you will have to spend trying to finish it and polish it. You can move it in either this direction or this one, whatever you need to do to get that smooth glide and finish. And there you have it, friends. A simple brush, a drop of modeling liquid, and you're on your way to creating next level restorations that look and feel amazing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more cutting edge dental hacks. Until next time, keep sculpting those beautiful smiles and stay bonded. This is Dr. Nisha Deshpande signing off.